We're here at KartMania. We're already buying stuff. I'm going to give you a bit of a full walk around of the show, but I'm just diving straight in here with some kart boot. Paul's buying some stuff for his kart for next season. Oh, we might have peaked because I bet we might find cheaper stuff. Those are the nose cones you want. So that's better condition than mine. All right, there's loads of stuff here. I need steering wheels. Looking for wheels for, ooh, these wheels are nice. You just see so many people here from everywhere in karting. We spent most of our time just stopping and saying hello to people we know. It's really nice. There's basically a massive queue to get in unless you've already got your wristband and your QR code. So I'd advise booking online or knowing someone on a stand and getting a ticket. Otherwise, you will have to queue. In this hall upstairs, and there are a number of halls to go through, you'll find kart companies, people selling karts, or you'll find different race series. Here we're stood next to looking like a new electric series, and obviously Access Karting, our series that we're part of, is in one of the halls here as well. You'll also find series where you can move from karts into cars, so things like the JSCC, Junior Saloon Car Championship, they're downstairs, but basically lots of cool shiny things to look at. This is going to be mainly me showing you cool go-kart stuff and just show you how cool KartMania is. So let's go have a look. So this is the new bodywork that we've been seeing on the OTKs. So with the cool extra little kind of aero fins on the nose cone and on the Nassau panel. So if you want to spend a bunch of money, then you can get your updated bodywork on your OTK. The famous Sam Spinella. This is the new Carlos Sainz chassis. So again, just an OTK in a different colour. Chassis black, which is quite cool. What I really like is this red and black steering wheel. Of all the OTK steering wheels, this one's my favourite, and partly that's because the white bit that's normally here gets really dirty. So having this one with the black is going to make it easier to clean, but it also looks really, really cool. But you know, the real reason everyone's here is to see the purple peril, which is down here on the Access Karting stand. And this is where they've got the champion karts from each of the classes in Access Karting on display. And obviously my one's the best. So talking about the new style bodywork, here's another one just here with a kind of shark grille up the front, air in the bottom, and then out over the front here. I quite like this one. I think this is one of the more elegant solutions, and I quite like the fat beginning of the nose to kind of protect your feet a little bit more. You also have a big cutout in the end of the nose cone on this one, so I'll show you that too. Regular viewers of the channel will recognise the steering wheel from our Camus review. And also whilst you're here, you can pick up some good deals from the shops that you normally buy from on eBay or on their own website. And you might not make a huge saving, but you will make something. So I'm currently buying some OTK nut and bolt kits, which I normally pay around £45 for online. I'm getting them here today, and I've got them for the next 2 karts I'm building. So Paul, how much have you spent so far?
£600.
What?
Yeah. I've spent just under 100.
I think I've probably shown you most of KartMania. We've seen so many people that we know and love here. And it seems like anyone who's anyone in all forms of karting are here. It's cool, isn't it, Alex?
It's awesome. I love this place. I never would have thought to come here, but now that I've got my own car, and we've just literally every time we walk past any stand, there's somebody we know.
Yeah, it's really, really hard to make progress because you're just constantly stopping and talking to people. So the last thing I'm going to show you is the kart boot sale. Basically a range of quite new and very, very old parts, but anything you could imagine that you might need for your kart will be here at a certain price point. So for example, my brother this morning bought a load of 2024 parts, which are very shiny and they look basically brand new and obviously a lot cheaper than buying them completely new. And I bought a couple of things for my kart for next year, which you'll see all about in the next video. So I'll show you those things and then that's it. You've seen the entire show. I'm just going to finish my breakfast and we'll go take a look. It's a real Aladdin's cave here. You'll just find anything you could possibly want for your kart. So I hope this has been useful to you guys. A little bit of a behind the scenes. If you haven't been to KartMania before and you have a kart or you're thinking of racing karts or you want to buy parts for your kart for slightly less money than you pay online, you're in the right place here. All right, Paul, have you spent any more money?
Yep. Got an Alfano screen cover.
Ooh, fancy.
No, it's like a screen cover for your phone, but for the Alfano.
Yeah.
So I got one of them.
Cool. If you've enjoyed this little silly video, please like and subscribe. I just wanted to bring you some of the atmosphere from behind the scenes at this really cool show. So see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.